Did you know that something as simple as raisin water can help cleanse and detoxify your liver? If you've been feeling sluggish, bloated, or dealing with digestion issues, your liver might need some extra support. The liver is one of the most vital organs in our body, responsible for filtering out toxins, metabolizing nutrients, and keeping our system in balance. In today's video, we'll explore how drinking raisin water can aid in liver detoxification, improve digestion, and boost overall health. Make sure to watch until the end to learn how to prepare raisin water the right way and maximize its benefits. Why is liver health so important? The liver plays a crucial role in keeping us healthy. Every day, it processes everything we eat and drink, filtering harmful substances and converting nutrients into energy. However, poor diet, excessive alcohol consumption, processed foods, and environmental toxins can overload the liver, making it sluggish and inefficient. When this happens, you may experience fatigue, digestive problems, skin issues, and even weight gain. This is where natural remedies like raisin water come into play. What is raisin water? Raisin water is simply water infused with raisins, allowing the nutrients from the dried fruit to dissolve and become easily absorbed by the body. Raisins are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can support liver function, improve metabolism, and enhance digestion. This ancient remedy has been used for centuries in natural medicine to cleanse the body and boost overall wellness. How does raisin water help cleanse the liver? Raisin water offers a range of benefits that directly support liver function and detoxification. 1. Flushes out toxins. Raisins contain natural antioxidants and bioflavonoids that help eliminate toxins from the liver, allowing it to function more efficiently. 2. Supports digestion. The fiber and natural compounds in raisins promote better digestion and prevent constipation, helping to remove waste from the body more effectively. 3. Boosts liver enzymes. Raisins are rich in essential minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and iron, which support enzyme production in the liver, aiding in detoxification. 4. Improves blood purification. The high antioxidant content helps clean the blood, reducing the workload on the liver and allowing it to perform its functions with ease. 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. Raisins contain natural sugars that provide a slow and steady release of energy, preventing spikes in blood sugar that can strain the liver. 6. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can damage liver cells over time. The polyphenols in raisins have anti-inflammatory properties that help protect liver cells from damage. 7. Boosts metabolism. Drinking raisin water first thing in the morning can kickstart your metabolism, helping you burn fat and improve energy levels throughout the day. 8. Aids in weight management. By improving metabolism and digestion, raisin water can contribute to maintaining a healthy weight and reducing excess fat buildup around the liver. 9. Rich in resveratrol. Raisins contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant known for its ability to protect the liver from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. 10. Balances cholesterol levels. Studies suggest that raisins may help regulate cholesterol levels, reducing the burden on the liver and promoting overall cardiovascular health. How to make raisin water for liver detox. Making raisin water is simple, but to get the best results, follow these steps carefully. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 150 grams, about a handful, of organic raisins. Instructions: 1. Choose dark, organic raisins that are free from additives or artificial sugars. 2. Rinse the raisins thoroughly to remove any dirt or chemicals. 3. Boil 2 cups of water and then let it cool slightly. 4. Add the raisins to the warm water and let them soak overnight, for at least 8 hours. 5. In the morning, strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach before breakfast. 6. Eat the soaked raisins for added benefits or use them in smoothies or oatmeal. How often should you drink raisin water? For the best detoxifying effects, drink raisin water every morning for at least 4 days in a row. You can repeat this routine once a month to support ongoing liver health. If you are following a specific detox plan, consult a healthcare professional to determine the right frequency for you. Who should avoid raisin water? While raisin water is a natural and beneficial remedy, it may not be suitable for everyone. If you have diabetes, be mindful of your sugar intake. If you have kidney issues or are prone to kidney stones, consult your doctor before consuming raisins regularly, as they contain oxalates. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should also check with their healthcare provider before adding new remedies to their diet. Additionally, individuals with digestive sensitivities should introduce raisin water gradually to monitor how their body reacts. Other ways to support liver health: in addition to drinking raisin water, there are other lifestyle changes you can make to keep your liver healthy. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains while avoiding processed foods. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush toxins from your system. Exercise regularly. Physical activity improves blood circulation and supports overall detoxification. Limit alcohol and caffeine. Too much alcohol and caffeine can burden the liver and slow down its function. Get enough sleep. Your liver works hardest at night, so getting quality sleep helps with proper detoxification. Consume liver-friendly foods. Foods like garlic, turmeric, lemon, and leafy greens provide additional detoxifying benefits for liver function. Reduce processed sugar intake. Excess sugar consumption can lead to fatty liver disease, so opt for natural sweeteners in moderation. Final thoughts. Raisin water is an easy, natural, and effective way to support your liver and improve your overall health. By incorporating this simple drink into your routine, you can enhance digestion, boost energy levels, and aid your body's natural detoxification process. Have you ever tried raisin water before? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. Your support helps us create more valuable content to keep you informed and healthy. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and take care of your liver. See you next time.